We'll guide you through how to install Theobald's practice map in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a map by a popular YouTuber which we want to go and get, so we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead, and let's go and get started. Let's come and close out of Minecraft like so. Now what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. We'll go and use Chrome, but you could use Edge, it doesn't matter. Now what we need to do is go and find the map download. So you can go and type in Theobald practice map, and you need to go and find the Gumroad. The Gumroad is shellturtle.gumroad.com. Now alternatively, if you want to just go and make sure you're on the exact site, you can go through the Discord, but this is it here. Just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're wanting a Minecraft server to play with your friends and other people, check out the link in the pinned comment and the description. Right now you can get a discount on your server as well. We can go and scroll down and go and check out some of their great features like unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, automated backups, a free subdomain and much more. So check them out down below. To continue though, we need to go and download this. So you can go and name a fair price. You can go and enter 0, but you can go and enter in an amount as well and go and pay for it. Then you can press I want this. You need to go and enter in your email address, and then you can go and press get like so. Now you're going to be brought to the download here, as you can see, and you want to go and press download to the right like this. Now we also need to go and get this mod here. So you can go and highlight this by clicking, holding and dragging, then right click and press go to, and you'll be taken straight here. Now it goes and says here that this is not found. Don't worry, we just need to know that it is the hero bot. Press modrinth, press discover mods, and we'll press search. And you can go and type in hero bot, and it's here. Go and click on it, and you want to press versions. Now we need to make sure we get the right version. So we need to go and get the version for 1.21.11. So this is it here. This is a release. So press download to the right, and there it is. We can then click on it and press download a verified file. Now what we want to do is we also need to go and get Fabric itself. So you can come back to a search and go and type in Fabric, come to Fabric MC. Then you can go and press download, and you want to go and press download for Windows. It's been blocked. I'll go and click on it and press download verified file. If you're using a Mac, get the jar version. Then we need to go and get Fabric API. So you can click there, press files. We need to make sure we get it for the right version. So press game versions and then select 1.21.11. And we can then go and get the most up-to-date one and press download to the right. You've now downloaded everything you need. Open up your file explorer and you need to come to your downloads. You need to go and run the Fabric installer. So double click on it. You'll go and get this pop-up here. For the version, make sure you select 1.21.11 and press install. When it's finished, you'll get this pop-up and press mods. In here, you need to come to your downloads, and we're going to go and drag in the Fabric API and also HeroBot like so, and you can then close it, and you can go and press OK here and close it. Open up the Minecraft launcher. At the top, press installations. Scroll down and find Fabric and press the folder to the right. Then in here, you want to go and scroll down. We need to go and find the saves folder, come into it. Now, come back to your other file explorer and you need to come to your downloads. Here it is. With this selected, you want to press extract all and press extract and wait. Now find the file folder and drag it in like so. Now you want to go and press play to the right of Fabric Loader. We'll press single player and we can scroll down and here it is. We've got it selected and we can press play. And now we're joining it and we can go and get started. As you can see, that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Choose a kit and then we can go and get started.